Hey guys, good morning. It is Monday, September 21st, B-Day. Excuse my voice, my allergies are so bad right now. I've been battling them all weekend. I think it's like that quick temperature change. I don't know if any of you are having issues with your allergies, but wow, it's definitely hit me so hard. So I feel okay, but my voice is like almost gone. Um, this morning in AM asynchronous reminder that I still will be on Zoom for you to attend asynchronous lessons. Uh, we will be working on the play posit, why should I read Edgar Allan Poe, and responding. That is about 10 minutes long. The grammar activities are a fragments video and an IXL lesson reviewing sentence fragments. And then we're going to do a review, reflection, and goal setting on our TDA pre-assessment. And that is a video response assignment for you, and that is 15 minutes. During that time, if you need my help, I will absolutely be there. I will not be taking attendance for an asynchronous session though, so you will not be penalized if you do not attend. For PM Synchronous Live, I will be taking attendance for that and we'll be marking people absent who do not attend because that is our live session. You should have already watched the video Alma. We're going to play it one last time. And then we're going to have a live class discussion about the setting in Alma and how it affects the other literary elements in the story. And our main question is, how is the author able to tell a story without using dialogue? And then lastly, we're going to kind of switch gears back to our Edgar Allan Poe. And we're going to do a little bit of a collaborative group search about the background of Edgar Allan Poe and his literary works. And that should take about 20 minutes. So I will see my asynchronous people who attend our sessions 2nd and 4th shortly. And my PM friends, I will see you later on today. Have a great day, and hopefully my voice is better by then. Bye, guys.